guys, and welcome back to my channel and my very messy workspace. I would appreciate it if you would stay here and like and subscribe and all that, so you know, enjoy the video. Today's video is going to be about some really cute things that I got online from Aliexpress because I'm on there way too much and my class got cancelled today because of audio issues. I'm probably going to be attending tomorrow, but now I'm really awake and it's late and I just don't know what to do with myself, so I was like, you know what, I just got this huge package, why don't I just show everyone what I got, because it's like really inexpensive, really good quality hair accessories, and I love hair accessories. I'm also so happy that clips are back because, you know, they're so easy and I just don't feel like tying up my hair anymore because like you just lose so much hair and it's so damaging, and honestly clips are just life. So I think everyone, in my opinion, should wear a clip. I guess I tried like doing my makeup and my outfit red because it's February and Valentine's Day is coming up, and I guess that's important to some people, so yeah, I don't really have any other reason besides that. I literally did not know what to do because you know, what do you do? Like, I have nothing planned tonight except this. So I'm going to be showing you in a second, and it's all really cute. Also, if you see anything you like, it will all be listed down in the description, and I will also probably list all the prices because I did not memorize any of them, but I think like a lot of the stuff is under $1, so it's literally like, I think the entire haul was like $10. It was so cheap. Oh my god, I love Aliexpress. I spent so much time there. I probably shouldn't because like, but I still love it. Like, I cannot say no to an inexpensive deal, especially if it's cute hair accessories, and they turn out to be such good quality, like way better than the ones I bought in the store. Like these clips that I got, I'll show you just now, these like large, you know, the claw clips, right? Usually the ones I get, like I can't sleep in them or anything, like they break so easily, I guess. Like they only last me a couple of months, and I know I don't look like it, but I have like a lot of hair, so it's like really difficult to get one that actually, you know, clips everything in place and is sturdy, like doesn't fall out the entire day, and sometimes I fall asleep in them. So like I need something pretty heavy duty to keep my hair up and awake and looking like alive, I guess, and these really do that. So, you know, that is pretty neat. Like I can sleep in them and wake up and it's still there. I actually did that today, and in the middle of the day I put in a new clip, not a new clip, I just changed like the positioning and combed my hair because, you know, I should probably do that. But yeah, I slept in it and woke up and I stayed like that for a good few hours because it's like that sturdy. It doesn't pull, it just keeps all of my hair, which I have a lot of, in place, doesn't move, and I can sleep in it, I can run in it, I can exercise in it. So it's like the holy mother of claw clips, and I have found it. It's so cheap, it's amazing, it doesn't break. It is like godsend if you're done with wearing ponytails and you just want to clip your hair up. So I'm gonna go show you all what I got because this is getting really long. To the haul, I guess. So I got tons of these because I love them, and I think one just fell on the floor. So will you excuse me as I gracefully go and pick it up. These ones I got, they look similar to those ones. They're like kind of a large version of the little clips that you used to wear when you were a kid or just an adult, you know, the general ones, but they're lined with this like velvety nice plastic, and I just really like the way they feel. I wish it would focus so I can show you, but they're really nice actually. I couldn't stop buying them once I had them in my cart because they're so inexpensive and just beautiful overall. I'm gonna try showing one without plastic. The other model that I got is this one. They're all just really cute. I was surprised at the quality because they were really cheap from what I remember. They were like not expensive at all, and I just really wanted like some classic clips. this one is not fastened. Like then I would need to pick up another one from the floor. But they're really good quality. Like I was not expecting that, because usually when you buy like cheap clips, it's like you know? But these are really, really, really nice, and I was very, very surprised by that. I don't know why. So if I am to open these, they look like this, and then they close like that. So they are pretty sturdy, I would say. They have like a very sturdy look. Now you can see it's like this really nice velvety plastic. I like this mauve color, like everything is very muted, and I think that's gonna look really good for when you just want to wear out some clips and you don't like want to do anything too crazy. Like these look really neat and nice. So I'm gonna clip this because it is once again stopped focusing, so you know that's just gonna be something that's happening, I guess. Now on to the star of the show. I got 2 of these, and then I got 3 from my mom because I love her and she also likes claw clips, and we're both like stoked about these because they're amazing. They clip everything. They're also like this nice matte mauve plastic, and I love that. I don't know why. I just really like how that looks, and they're just so amazing. They're huge for one, which is really good if you have a lot of hair like us. And as you can hear, they sound pretty nice, I would say. I don't know if you can really hear that from the sound, but they're really sturdy. Like I've slept in this one and I've worn it for like a couple of days now. Haven't tried the green one yet, but this one, amazing. The green one probably the same because they're all amazing. My mom loves them as well. If you were to get anything from this haul, just get these. Like you cannot go wrong. They're so much cheaper than a lot of the ones in the store. Not that that matters, like really, it's not that much, but if you were to save some dollars, doll hairs, like these are worth it. They're amazing. They feel so nice. It's like this smooth velvety plastic, and the colors are so pretty. I love the colors. Like you get, you know, black and everything else as well, but I really like these colors. They're just so matte and pretty, and these clips are so huge, and it's like the only clip that keeps all of my hair in. Like I don't need to like scrape to get all of my hair in. Like I just open and it just has everything. Like it's amazing. Honestly, like it is so amazing. I don't know if I've said this already, but I got into like a pretty bad scuffle with some sand fleas while we were walking our dog. And if you know sand fleas, you know that they're pretty gnarly to get. Like, so if you see any bumps on my hand, it is because I was eaten alive by some crustaceans because it rained and it was warm, and that is what happened because I live at the beach. So if you've ever come into contact with those, you will know how awful that is. But if you don't, that is why. I don't know why I felt the need to mention that, but these are amazing. 10 out of 10. Get these. Just get them. Like there's no reason for you not to. Then I got a whole bunch of these. They come in a set and they're so pretty. This one has this sort of a ball area, I would say, that it clips onto, where you loosen it like that. I don't know if it's going to focus on that one, but it's also really beautiful. All pretty good quality. I don't think any of the rhinestones will come out. Like they're pretty well in there. And this is a little comb. It is so cute. Please focus on my little comb. I'm sad. I'm just going to show you guys how it opens. It has a pretty sturdy opening mechanism, so I feel pretty good about it. These sets are so pretty. Like I was like, oh my god, I have way too much stuff. But I decided to get these anyway. I'm just going to move on to the next one, see if it comes into focus a little bit later. The others are on this paper because I have not taken them off. I primarily got this set because of the fishy and the comb, because I really wanted a fishy and a comb for my hair. I just feel that's very cute, and I can wear them out at night and during the day. They're so pretty. These are also like amazing. Like honestly, all of them were so pretty. I could not stop. I just really wanted these. They're really good. Their quality is amazing. They look like, you know, these beautiful like dainty little clips, but honestly they're pretty strong, which is, you know, pretty good. Like I'm very, very satisfied with my haul. So the fishy is also like a ball and thingy situation, and these clip open as such. So they're like the comb, and then the fishy is like the little flower. Yes. The fishy is like the little flower. It has like a ball mechanism here where it just clips loose like that. I won't say it's the sturdiest one, but it'll do. Like, I don't think if there's any way to really make that any more sturdy, but it's so pretty. And then the rest, like I said, have a pretty sturdy like clip mechanism, as you can see. Oh my god, like, isn't this the most pretty thing? It's so pretty. Like, I don't know why, it kind of reminds me of Audrey Hepburn, and I really like that. It's just so pretty. My hand is so awkward right now, but yeah, it's beautiful. So next up, I have a rainbow, because after every shower there is a rainbow. And yeah, so I don't know why, but my camera does not like focusing on this rainbow up close, but basically it is this really pretty rainbow. It has this like pink material around the clip, and it's really adorable. So well made, and just in general a very good purchase. I got these really cute candy canes because that felt like the move to me, and I am very proud of my decision, by the way. So I'm gonna wear these in my hair. They're really cute. I think I've already put some in a few days ago because that's when I got these. Yes, look at them. Oh my gosh, aren't they too pretty? Like, they're so detailed. Like, how? They look like real candy, honestly. Like, it's so pretty. And then it has a pretty sturdy like fastening mechanism. It also has the pink, and it's adorable. Like, you cannot tell me that these are not. There we go. Okay, this is the rainbow. It is so cute. It opens, also a pretty sturdy mechanism, and as you can see, it just looks very adorable, and you cannot help it. Then with the rainbow came these two, a little yellow cloud and a little yellow candy cane, because that is so cute. Same thing, not going to show all of them. This one I am really excited about because it is amazing. Also, weirdly enough, everything is made in China, which is no judgment, but this one is made in Korea, which I don't know why. They're all made in China and this one's made in Korea, but it's so beautiful. It is so pretty. I got two of these because I want to put them like on each side of my head. I've already worn them out. They wear out amazing. And you know, I had no trouble. Like, they're just really sturdy and nice, and I am very happy with them if they would just focus. As you can see, these are quite beautiful. They have this nice thick plastic and this little pearl over there. They're very pretty, and they open like this, and then on the inside they have like this little rainbow area, and they kind of change color in the light. It's very beautiful, and I would 10 out of 10 recommend these. These are the other ones that I would definitely recommend you getting because they are awesome. And then this is how they come packaged, because I just felt like showing that. I put them back in their packages because I am like that. I'm probably gonna repackage everything in this video later because I like keeping things in packages. I don't know why. That's just how I do. Like, as you can see, they're beautiful. Like, there's not much to say. Then I got these bows, pretty self-explanatory, some nice bows to put on the back of my head when I'm wearing like a ponytail or something. I don't know. They're pretty huge though. They don't look like it, but they're really big. And I actually wanted to like put one on one side of my head and the other on the other side, but they're way too big for that. So then it looks like my entire head is taken over by bows, which is not a bad thing, but it does not look as cute as it sounds. So, wait. Oh, it's open already. Okay, yeah. So it looks like that. It opens like that, and it clips close like that. And it's really pretty. Just now it was open already, and I tried opening it like since it was already open because I am not very smart. And then last but not least, I got these. I'm just gonna show these at the same time. I got these little slide in clip situation. They're also like this really smooth velvety matte plastic. As you can see, they're kind of curved, which is something I like. Like you can choose the curve that you want in them. Yeah, you can choose the curve that you want in them, and that was like pretty attractive to me. I chose this one, and I really like it. And then last but not least, even though I've already said that, I got this one, and it reminds me of like the inside of a crystal. You know those purple ones? I cannot remember the name of right now, but they're cut open, then you have like the little purple crystals inside, and I feel like this looks just like that. We have like a lot of crystals here, and I really like that. So this is how it looks. Is it not the prettiest clip ever? It's pretty big, as you can see. At the back it has this material, and this part, I won't say it does look flimsy, but it's definitely not as flimsy as you would think. And on the side it has a slight curve, as you can see. It looks like that. It is very, very beautiful, and I am extremely happy with everything that I've got. It feels so fabulous, and thank you for watching, because I really appreciate you, and I hope you like my video. I have more videos coming, videos with a little bit more planning and entertainment, hopefully. And I really hope you like this. Maybe you like something, maybe you want to check out some links. They're all non-affiliated and all unsponsored, if that is something you're worried about, because, you know, we're kind of broke, and we do not get sponsorships because we have like no one who cares. So if you are worried, no, none of the links are sponsored or lead to anything. I do not get any kickback from that. But I want to share them because I really like these, and I thought that maybe you would too. So like, I hope you enjoy them. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe, and comment down below if there's anything that you would like me to do, because I am open to all suggestions. I kind of want to make a video about the Cinderella story movies, so that's probably what I'm going to be doing next. And I just want to thank you so much for watching. You're amazing, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Also, happy Valentine's Day. I don't know if I'm going to post again before Valentine's Day, so if I don't, happy Valentine's Day. Whether you're single or with someone, I hope you have a wonderful day. It's not something that I really go out of my way to celebrate, but I will say I hope you have a wonderful day on that day, and today, and any other day of the year that you may be watching this. So love you guys, and bye.